Hi guys, I am one of the Coolkidz Atcha, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Muslim Barbie doll dress. So, what you're going to need to make the Barbie doll dress, first piece you're going to need this. This is going to be the Barbie doll's top, and it has the sleeves as you can see, and it's kind of tilted like that. So it's gonna go like this, and it's gonna be on her top. Okay, so this is the second piece, and it is gonna be the Barbie doll's bottom. You have to cut it, and then it's like a hole, so you could see through it, and it's gonna go at the bottom of the Barbie doll. This is the Barbie doll scarf, and it goes on our head, so we're gonna wrap it like that on our head. And you have to cut it into a long rectangle. So this is gonna be the piece that holds the Barbie dolls dressed together. Well, I use this piece from some sort of cloth, but you can cut out a cloth or you can use some thick string. I got the first piece on. You just need to make sure the hole is big enough that you can slide onto her head. And that is the first piece. So it's going to look like that. And don't worry if it's open because the string is going to tie it together. So I am just getting the second piece on her, and it goes on her legs, and it's just going to end like about above her foot. And don't worry because it's going to look like this, and again, the rope is going to hold both pieces together. Good. Just about to tie this belt from here. So you just push the thing to the back, and I am going to tie it. And there we go. What she is going to look like. And that is the end of her clothing. Now we need to do her scarf. Put the scarf on. So I got my scarf on, and if you like, you could put a pin if it's not working, but I just managed to tug it in. And there is your Barbie doll. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you know when I make a new video.